Here's the progressives. Maxed out major. Look at the grand though. Dang. Alright, I have $100 in the machine. I'm gonna do free play today. I don't have any smaller bills, so I'm gonna start off with 10-cent denom. Let's do 5 and 750 bets. Alright, wish me luck. Shayna's loud. I'd rather have it loud than no sound at all. Do it. One more. Yeah. You already know it's gonna be this one. Hold on, spin. As long as he utilizes the wild, I don't care. Utilizes it the right way though. Where's all the wild at? Oh, I was gonna say someone. You can at least retrigger for me. At least I hit 100. Let's go. Get back to spins. Alright. it? Okay. This is what I got with my free play. decided to come down but didn't fulfill his duties. But you know, at least I got this. Let's go. Oh yeah. Please give me the hold and spin. Or like 200 wild. Please. Oh. You jerk face. This is why I don't like what is this? Happy Lantern. Sahara Gold. They cheat you out your bonus. You know what? I should just stick to a nickel denom. Okay, Penny Denom, let's go. Really decent numbers. Come on. Stay alive. Do it. Yes. Anything. Come on. That's alright. This would have been lovely if it was a dollar denom or 10-cent denom. We're gonna cash out and put a fresh bill in. Alright, so I'm gonna try 10 cents again. It's been mean to me, but we'll just try it again. We'll go down to 50. This must be decent. 90? 64, okay. I'll go down to 100. Oh, that doesn't line up the little firecrackers? I guess not. Do one more $5 spin. Do it. Oh, look at that. Oh, okay. Man, I should have just kept recording because I switched the noms back to 5 cents and this was my first spin. Let's go. Are they trying to tell me something? Like just stay on a nickel? It's all like 12, okay. Grand is at 18K. That's pretty high. Okay. Not today. Not right now, actually. I'll go down to 200. Do it. Oh. $3.75. Okay. Turtle should have been right there. Okay. Look at those numbers. Oh, one more. Do it. Okay. Alright, I finally got a lantern bonus. 750 pesos. Low numbers. I want to cash out, but I'll do 3 backups soon for you guys. Alright. I'm doing $5 and $10 spins on 2 pennies. I didn't learn my lesson, no I didn't. Ooh. Only 6 though. Make it count. Okay. I needed that.
Let's see how busy
Really? play the music. How much? Yes. How much? Ooh, that's a hand pay? Ooh, that's not good. How much is this? I don't even know. Oh, it's right there. Let's go. I guess I got my major amount.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Oh.
12, 13, 5, 10, 1, 2, and 3.
Thank you, John.
You're welcome.
Hold on, let me. All right, just got my hand there. Hallelujah, hallelujah. All right, I know you guys want to see me do backup spin, so let's go. Alright. This was pretty awesome. Dang, man. One of the balls just slid down. The lanterns, I mean. Come on, dude. This was my lucky chance spin. I was reaching in my purse to get some more money to put in, and I looked up and bam, what the heck. Okay. Golden spin. Oh, yay. Okay. Good numbers. Major's coming. Getting sad too soon. Come on. Ooh. What the heck? Wow. Okay, I'm sorry for talking bad about you, Happy Lantern. I'm sorry. You're alright in my book now. What? I'm telling you, that major's coming. Come on, do it. Oh my goodness, my lucky chance spin. I was only gonna put in like $100 more. Cash, nah. I know you guys want to see 3 backwards spins, but you know, you gotta make it even. This is like better than the major.